So the second thing that you can do to upgrade your current videos and kind of give them another reroll at the algorithm is to upgrade the titles. The reason being is click-through rate is the most important metric that you can focus on, and it's the one that you have the most power to change with both your thumbnail and your title. Ultimately, it's about finding the right combination of title and thumbnail that go together and actually get the results that you're looking for. So here we are scrolling down some of my videos, and we're going to try to find one that doesn't have a lot of views on it. Here's a perfect example. All of them have thousands of views here, but this one right here, for some reason, only has 925. It really didn't get pushed by the algorithm, and it hasn't really been seen. You can see I've already worked on the thumbnail and upgraded that here. So now the next thing that we can do is upgrade the title. So there's two really cool methods that are going to help you rewrite your title, very similar, but also let you change it so it gives the algorithm another shot to take more information in from a different angle and suggest it to the right people. The first thing that we can do is we can use a paraphrasing software called Quillbot. It's completely free if you're just rewriting titles. So you paste your title in here, you can pick standard, you can pick to expand it and make it longer, which I don't recommend, obviously. Or if your title's long, you can shorten it, and that tends to work very well as well, because now on YouTube, shorter, more concise titles typically work better since most people got carried away with the long titles and trying to stuff them full of keywords. So we can paraphrase it using standard, and it's going to spit out a very similar title, just slightly worded different. And this can really have a positive effect on the views and the click-through rate of your video because it's basically a very similar title, but sometimes the way that you can pick words and enunciate certain phrases might not be relayed by some viewers as well as other phrases. And so this is why this is super effective. So we changed the most difficult part of growing an e-commerce business to the hardest part of expanding an online store. Now, this just gives you ideas. You can obviously rephrase it again if you want to, and then it pumps out the hardest part of expanding an e-commerce business. You could also shorten it, and then it pumps out growing an e-commerce business is hardest. That doesn't really work for us. So let's try one more here with standard. Growing an e-commerce business's most difficult aspect. We could change that and then literally just paste it in there. Here's another one, 985. Start these 5 online businesses. This one didn't really get picked up by the algorithm. So we take the title here and we take it into the paraphrasing software, and you can use creative as well. That's another good one that tends to work well. We're going to paraphrase it. In 2023, launch these 5 online businesses. That might do better than start these 5 online businesses in 2023, which we clearly know already doesn't work well. So we're going to take this title, we're going to paste it in here, and we're going to click save. Now, another way that you can change the title is you can use AI software like ChatGPT, and you can have the AI software spit you out 5 or 10 other phrases that are very, very similar, right? So we're going to tell ChatGPT, which is a completely free AI software, to rewrite this title 5 different times. Let it do its magic. And as you can see, it's starting to spit out different variations of this same title. So those are 2 ways that you can rewrite your titles and upgrade them to hopefully increase your click-through rate and give your video another shot at being picked up by the algorithm.